Hi, Keenan the Cleaner Machine here. Are you tired of your laundromat's floors looking like a lint roller exploded in a dryer? Well, I have got the solution for you. Introducing the VEVOR Push Broom Sweeper, the ultimate weapon in dirt and debris. This baby doesn't just sweep, it sweeps like a champ. Forget about those wimpy brooms and dustpans that barely make a dent. The VEVOR Push Floor Sweeper is like having a tiny tornado of cleanliness at your fingertip. Watch as it devours dirt, lint, and even those mysterious snack crumbs that your customers seem to sprinkle like confetti. It's like a vacuum and a street sweeper had a baby, and that baby was raised by a pack of OCD wolves. Look at this. No more bending over with a dustpan, no more sore back, no more excuses. The VEVOR Push Floor Sweeper makes cleaning so easy, even a lazy cat could do it. But we don't recommend giving it to your cat. They might get too attached. Save your customers from unexpected slips and slides adventures. VEVOR Push Floor Sweeper is like a superhero with a cape. It's faster than a speeding broom, more powerful than a vacuum, and able to leap tall piles of dust in a single bound. Those pesky Sensibeads, hard to pick up with the regular broom. Now with the VEVOR it isn't. With its 22 titanium point brushes, it has no problem picking up dust. It has no problem picking up dryer sheets. It has no problem picking up the Sensibeads. It likes to eat your garbage, your lint, your debris, your trash. That's its hobby. So give it something to do, folks. Call today. VEVOR, not just Chinese, really good Chinese. Could your measly broom do all that? No, didn't think so. Chinese can. This Chinese can't. Some Chinese can, some Chinese not. That's good Chinese. Don't wait. Pick up the phone, click that link, run down to your favorite store that has your VEVOR Push Floor Sweeper. You'll be the envy of every clean freak on the block. Clean on, my friends.